Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to type M2 in Word using this superscript in Word. So very easily you can type this M2 in Word. So firstly you need to type here M2. So simply type here M2 and now need to select this 2. So firstly select this M2. Now here you see this in home tab, this X and upside will be 2, this small 2. So click on this 1. So you see this will be M2, small will be 2 will be small very easily, and again click on here. So now you can type in normal letters. So this is first method, and the second method is first click on insert. Now this is the last option, equation. So don't click on here equation, click on this upside, this symbol. So just click on here and script. Here you see this option script, click on superscript, this first, and now need to here type M and here type this 2 and click on any empty area. So you can see here, you can very easily type here this M2. And third method is shortcut. So say this is second method and third method is shortcut method. So if you see here, this 2 will be small, so now you can type any letter, so this letter will be small. So you can turn off this, so click on this X and upside will be 2. So click on here, so you can now type here normal letters. And third method is shortcut, so type here M and 2. So select this 2 and Control Shift plus is equal to. So you can very easily type this M2 and again click on here to turn off this so superscript. So now here this will be turn off. Press and hold Control Shift plus is equal to. So this is turn off. So you can very easily type this M2 using this 3 method. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.